Stuck at the top? That final move isn't about power. It's about a secret system. Today, I'm giving you the 3 keys to actually finish your climbs. Let's unlock it. Hey everyone, have you ever been right there? Fingers on the top, feet smearing, heart pounding, and then you just peel off? You're not alone. For beginners, finishing a climb, that final move to slap the top and actually control it, feels like a secret code. Today we're cracking that code. This isn't just about strength, it's a game of strategy, and we're going to break down the 3 biggest mental and physical shifts that will turn those frustrating near misses into confident finishes. Let's start with the #1 beginner killer, the panic zone. You get to what feels like the hard part. Your brain goes into overload, and everything falls apart. Newsflash, the top isn't the hard part. The hard part was getting your feet up and your body positioned to reach it. The finish is the victory lap. So your first mission is to reprogram your brain. When you grab that second to last hold, instead of thinking, I'm about to fall, your new mantra is, I have arrived. Take a deliberate breath. Look at the top. It's not a desperate lunge. It's a controlled movement you've earned. This mental shift from panic to purpose is your foundation. Now let's talk about the most underrated tool in climbing, your feet. I see so many beginners get high and then just stop using them. It's all arms. Here's the interesting news from movement science. Your legs are almost always stronger than your arms. The finish is a leg press, not a pull-up. So rule #2, seek stability, not just height. Don't just stand up randomly. Find the best possible foot placement, even if it's a tiny edge or a smeary volume. Press through your toes, engage your core, and try to stand up onto that foot. This transfers your weight onto your skeleton, letting your tired arms simply guide you. Think of it as climbing down through your feet to go up with your body. This leads us to our final crucial piece, the body barometer. Your body position is your dashboard, telling you everything. Are you barn-doored, swinging out from the wall? That's a stability red light. To finish, you need to be as square to the wall as possible. This often means a subtle but powerful move called flagging. Let's say you're reaching with your right hand. Drop your left foot out to the left side of your body, using it as a counterbalance. This stops the swing and centers your weight. Then as you press with your right foot and stand up, your body moves smoothly upward in a straight line, close to the wall. You're not lunging out, you're extending up. It's the difference between a controlled elevator and a wild leap. So let's bring it all together. Next session, pick a climb you can get to the top of, but struggle to finish. First, calm the mind at the penultimate hold. Breathe. Second, find the highest, most stable foot you can and focus on pressing through it. Third, check your body. Flag if you're swinging, get square, and extend. The top isn't a terrifying leap of faith. It's the logical, controlled conclusion to the puzzle you just solved. Remember, every pro climber was once a beginner, staring up at that intimidating finish. The difference was they learned the system. Now you know it too. So get out there, trust the process, and go stick some finishes. Now you've got the system, go try it, smash that finish. If this helped, subscribe for more climbs made simple. See you on the wall.